Hello everyone, welcome to AI tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about arithmetic operation using NumPy. You can see the agenda here. We are going to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for scalar and also for two matrix. Then you no need to take the notes. I will be uploading this Jupyter notebook into my GitHub. You can directly download the respective files. First we have to import the NumPy library. So import NumPy as NP. Then I am going to create 3 cross 3 matrix. We have already learned how to create matrix. You just glance those videos. So matrix M equal to np dot array. Now it's a 3 cross 3 matrix, so I have to give, so within the list another list 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is the first row. Then 5 comma 15 comma 25, second row. Square bracket means it's a list. 0 comma 5 comma 10. So we have created a 3 cross 3 matrix. Let's print and see. So matrix is created. So it's a 3 rows 3 columns, 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we are going to perform scalar addition, subtraction, division and multiplication to this particular matrix M. The scalar value A equal to 10. Once again I want to print matrix M. To this matrix I am going to add scalar value A equal to 10. Scalar addition will be M plus A. Now the value 10 will be added to each element of the matrix. So executed, you can see here the value 10 is added to 10. Output is 20. 10 plus 20, 30. 10 plus 30, 40. Similarly for all other rows. 10 plus 10, 20. This is how scalar addition is performed. Whenever you add any scalar value, it will be added to each element in the matrix. Same way, scalar subtraction. So M minus A. Run. 10 minus 10, it's 0. 10 minus 20, it's 10. 10 minus 30, it is 20. Then 10 minus 0, it's minus 10, and so on. This is how scalar subtraction will be done. Same way, scalar division. We're going to divide each element in matrix by the scalar value 3. So when I execute, so number 10 divided by 3 will be 3.333. Then 20 divided by 3, 6 point something. Then 30 divided by 3, it's a 10. The output will be in the float data type. This is how every element in the matrix will be divided with the scalar value. Next one, scalar multiplication. Going to multiply scalar value 10 to the matrix M. Therefore, scalar multiplication M. For multiplication, put stars and scalar A. Run. Value 10 is multiplied to each element. 10 into 10, 100, 10 into 20, 200, 10 into 30, 300, and so on. So this is how we will do the scalar addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So in short, if we are performing any scalar operation, that particular value, that single number will be performed in the each element of the matrix. Now the next topic is matrix addition. Here what I am going to do, I created a two matrix M1 and M2. Both of them are 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 3 row into 3 columns. So before starting this topic, we have to remember one rule. Either it's a matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, both the matrix, that is matrix 1 and matrix 2, must be in the same dimension, that is same number of rows and columns. Let me execute and show you. So you can see here the first matrix is this one, 3 cross 3 rows 3 column, and second matrix also 3 rows 3 column. Whenever you want to perform matrix operation, we make sure it is in the same dimension. If not, it will throw the error. Let's do the addition. So addition of two matrix, you have to add m1 plus m2. Straightforward. Just run it. What exactly happened here is the first element of matrix A is added to the first element of matrix B. That is 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Same way 20 plus 10, it is 30. 30 plus 15, it is 45. Then 60 plus 75, it is 135. So the matrix addition is done on the element wise and also as per their position. Keep that in mind. The same matrix addition we can also do it in another way. Addition of two matrix, NP add m1 comma m2. Execute. So the output is similar to this one. Both of them gives the same output. Either you can mention m1 plus m2 or using the add method. You can follow any way. Hope you understood how to do the matrix addition. Matrix subtraction, same example m1 and m2. Now going to subtract m1 minus m2, that is matrix subtraction. So it means first element of matrix 1, 10, is subtracted with the first element of matrix 2, that is 5. 10 minus 5, it is 5. 25 minus 1, it is 24. 20 minus 25, it is minus 5. So the matrix subtraction is carried out element wise. Same like above, matrix subtraction can also performed using subtraction method. Subtraction of two matrix, np dot subtract m1 comma m2. When we execute, the output remains the same. This is how we'll do the matrix subtraction. Then matrix division, same like above example, m1 divided by m2. When you execute, element wise division will be carried out. 10 by 5, it is 2. So whenever you come across division, the mostly output will be float type, that is with decimal point. Then 20 divided by 10, it is 2 point. Then 40 divided by 50, it is 0.8. Same matrix can be done using divide method, that is np dot divide m1 comma m2. If we execute, the output is same. Then last example, matrix multiplication, very important example. For matrix multiplication, m1 star m2. Run it. So element wise multiplication is done. 10 into 5, 50. 20 into 10, 200. 30 into 15, 450. So element wise matrix multiplication is done. Same method we can do it using multiple method. Multiply m1 comma m2. When we execute it, the output remains the same. So this is how we have to perform the matrix operation. Then one more important point, There is a big difference in matrix multiplication, element wise operation versus product of the matrix. If you see product of the matrix, the concept is totally different. The dot product I have covered in the mathematics for artificial intelligence using Python. You can see it here. Hope you got an idea how to perform the arithmetic operation using NumPy. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.